Today we're taking a look at the Fanxiang PS2005 External SSD, a compact, super-fast 1TB drive that claims speeds of up to 2,000 megabytes per second, thanks to its USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface. It's marketed as a professional portable SSD for phones, but it also works perfectly with desktops, laptops, and even consoles. We'll unbox it, check out the design, run some speed tests, and I'll share a few important notes you should know before buying. Unboxing is straightforward. Inside the box you get the SSD itself, a short USB-C to USB-C 20 gigabits per second cable, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, the manual, and a magnetic ring. The SSD immediately feels premium. It has a solid aluminum alloy body, very slim and compact, with a glass top panel featuring the Fanxiang logo. The build feels sturdy and cold to the touch. It definitely doesn't feel cheap. The housing is shock and drop resistant, and the aluminum enclosure also helps with heat dissipation. That glass finish on top gives it a modern, high-end look, kind of like a small smartphone power bank. The magnetic feature is actually pretty cool. It's MagSafe compatible, so you can attach it directly to your iPhone. Really handy if you shoot high bitrate ProRes video. If your phone or case doesn't have magnets, you can use the included ring and attach it to pretty much any device. This drive works plug and play across basically everything: Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS with a USB-C connector. I tested it directly with an iPhone recording ProRes video, and it worked flawlessly. I could record straight onto the SSD, then back up and transfer files between the phone and the drive, all without any special setup. On Android, same story. Just plug it in and it pops up like any external storage device for quick transfers or backups. One thing to note though, when connected to phones it draws power directly from the device, and you'll notice your battery draining faster. That's not unusual for external SSDs, but it's worth keeping in mind if you plan on using it with your phone for long sessions. Alright, let's talk about performance. I ran several benchmarks and the results were impressive. For smaller transfers, around 1 gigabyte test files, the drive easily hit speeds close to its rated numbers. However, when I ran larger file benchmarks, speeds began to throttle down after continuous heavy transfers. I also noticed the drive getting warm to the touch, which suggests thermal throttling. Totally expected for something this compact, but still good to know if you're planning long, sustained workloads. In real-world use, I doubt you'll ever feel limited by it. Even during extended tests, it remained very fast and consistent. For everyday use, backing up photos, editing directly from the drive, or transferring large media, this SSD performs reliably. It's also a great option for console users, letting you store or back up games with ease. And if you shoot a lot of RAW or ProRes footage, the plug-and-play functionality on both iPhones and Android devices makes it perfect for mobile creators. The only small downside, like I mentioned, is the power draw from phones. And I do wish it came with a companion app for automatic backups. That would be super convenient for mobile users. But that's more of a wish list item. There are already plenty of third-party apps that do the job. Fanxiang says these drives use 3D NAND flash memory, which goes through rigorous testing for stability and durability. During my time with it, performance stayed consistent. No connection drops, no overheating errors, and it handled multiple devices without any formatting issues. The build quality deserves another mention. It really feels like something that should cost more. The aluminum shell gives both durability and cooling, and it can handle drops, which is a big plus for portability. At the time of recording, the 1TB version is priced very competitively, and you can also get it in up to 2TB capacity, which is great for creators and professionals who move a lot of data. I'll leave the product link in the description if you want to check the latest price. So here's my quick summary. The Fanxiang PS2005 delivers excellent performance and impressive speed for its price. Its premium design makes it both sleek and durable, and the magnetic mounting is perfect for iPhone ProRes shooters. Considering the performance and build, it's very affordable. The only downsides are slight thermal throttling during long transfers and the lack of a backup app. But overall, this is a fantastic portable SSD if you want something compact, reliable, and seriously fast. If you've tested or plan to get this drive, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.